Hey guys, what's up? It has been long that I haven't uploaded any video in my YouTube channel under some unavoidable circumstances. Um, but from now onwards, I am assuring you that I will be regularly uploading videos in my channel. So I am extremely sorry for this inconvenience. Okay, so please keep watching my channel, like, share, and subscribe. Your valuable feedback is deeply solicited for the further development of this channel. Thank you. Let's begin. So now today I will discuss about arrays. Okay, arrays. So what is array? Array is generally a group of numbers or a collection of number. Okay, so collection of item in a particular memory location. So these are arrays. So I am writing it that collection of collection of items in a particular location. Okay, and this is the basic definition of an array. That means a group of number. Suppose there is a group of number. Okay, suppose say 40, 55, then 63, then 17, then 22, then 18, then 89. Okay, so now I am categorize this number. I am giving the length 0, the number starting from 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the index number. Okay, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now if someone asks me what is the length of the array, then I will count from right from the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So length, array length of the array will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 0 to 6, that means 7. Okay, and what is the first index? The first index is 0 and the last index, first index means the counting. Okay, first index means 0 and the last index is what? 6, because this is the index number. 0 1 from 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, these are the index number. So the first index is 0 and the last index is 6. Okay, so now suppose this is an array. And these are the index numbers. Okay, now I am taking an integer to describe this array. Okay, and now I am initializing the value that a is equal to 8 and giving the index number 3. Okay, sorry. So it will give the value corresponding to this index number, that is 40. Okay, so in this way we will designate a particular value in an array. Okay, so now while writing the program, there are certain procedures which I am now explaining. Okay, the next topic is that declaration array declaration with respect to specific size. Array declaration with respect to array declaration, sorry, by specifying size. Okay, specifying size. Okay, that means by specifying size, how can we declare array? Okay, so I am taking an integer this is the syntax of array. Okay, arr. Suppose I am giving it 10. Okay, now I am taking another integer int n, and I am initializing this 10 to that variable. Okay, now I am calling that. In this way we will specify array, we will declare array by specifying its size. Okay, 10 is the size of the array. Okay, that means 10 is the index number. Okay, that means this array has 10 values. Okay, and n, we are specifying another variable n, and we are giving 10, the value of 10 to n. Okay, now we are calling that array 2 and giving the index number 10. Okay, in this way we will specify array with respect to its size. Okay, now by specifying elements. Okay, suppose this is an array. Okay, this is an array. Okay, so these are the elements, 10, 20, 30, these are the elements. Okay, so just now I have shown you how to declare an array by specifying size. Now I will show you how to declare an array by specifying elements. Okay, again I am taking integer. Okay, this is an array. Now I am initializing the value of an array 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so in this way we will specify an array, we will declare an array by specifying its element. Okay, now the third type is that by array declaration by specifying elements as well as size. Specifying element and size. Okay, so the same way int, the syntax of array. Now I am specifying size 6, that means it has 6 elements. Okay, 6, and also I am describing the element, I am declaring the element. Okay, 40, okay, okay, so in this way we will do. Now I am describing you, I am explaining you with the help of a program. Now I am showing it with the help of a program, basic program, to understand, to make you understand the concept of array. Okay, so writing the basic syntax. Integer, okay, so now I am explaining integer a 10, that means I have specified the length of the array. A is an array. Okay, and I am specifying the length of the array as 10, that means it will include 10 elements. Okay, then I have taken another variable n and I. So now I want to specify how many elements. Okay, so for that I have taken the value of the number of elements in n, and I have set the now the parameter that for I equal to 0, that means starting from 0 and I less than n, that means I have fixed the number of elements, okay, up to n, and I plus plus, that means the incremental operator, okay, that is the incremental operator I have already discussed in my previous video. If you have any doubt regarding this incremental operator, then you can check my previous video, okay. So now I am opening the parenthesis, printf, printf, okay, enter the value for %d I, okay, scanf %d and %a I, okay. Printf, the elements in the array are n, okay. Now due to shortage of space I am writing here, for I equal to 0, I less than n, okay, again I am using the incremental operator, printf the value of a %d, that means the number of elements in this array is taken as %d, okay. So %d is nothing but the integer type value, okay, is %d in I, okay. So this is the end of the program, okay. The output of the program is I am telling that number of elements, suppose I have specified in the number of elements as 10, okay, then the first value I have to specify the first value, that means a I, that is a0 equal to, suppose I specify 10, a1 20, likewise a9, since it is a 10 value element, 10 element array, sorry, the value will be suppose 100, okay. The output of this program will be like 10, 20, 30 up to 100. So in this way I have discussed a program, a basic program, so that your concept regarding array is clear, okay. Now I am showing you with an advanced programming language. It will definitely clear your concept, okay. I am showing you with a problem. Now the question is that the sum of first n numbers in an array, okay. So this is the program that I will write now, okay. That means addition of first elements, first n elements of an array, okay. So following the syntax, you write, sorry, studio.h void main int how many elements? Okay, scanf %d and %n for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, again using incremental operator. Okay, now I have taken an array, specified an array and given 10 elements to it. Okay, again I have taken a variable n and I, and this is the sum function, that is sum equal to 0. Okay, printf, enter the value for a %d. That means for integer value we generally use %d. Okay, scanf %d and %a I for I equal to 0, I less than n plus plus, sum equal to sum plus a I. Okay, that means the sum of first n number means, okay, the sum plus the array. Okay, this is the logic. That means the first number of the array plus the rest of the number. Okay, this is the logic. The sum of first %d number of array is equal to %d in sum. This is the program. Okay, so now I am writing it on computer and showing it. So now I have written it on computer. Okay, so now I am compiling it. See, it has given 0 error. Okay, that means the program written is absolutely correct. Now I am running it. Okay, see, enter the number of elements. Okay, the number of elements I am giving 10. Specify the first element. Okay, 20, second element 40, third element 60, fourth element 75, fifth element 89, sixth element 133, seventh element 77, eighth element 89, ninth element 95, 10th element 234. Okay, the sum of the first 10 number of an array is 912. That means the summation of the summation of all these 10 numbers is 912. Okay, you can calculate that using calculator and check whether it's correct or not. Okay, you will find that this addition is absolutely correct. Okay, so now that's all for today. Keep watching my channel. I will be uploading another video on array and try to clear your concept regarding this. Thank you. Have a nice day.